the cow and then we eat the cow there.
What about the part where we slaughter the cow?
Are we actually gonna milk cows?
I don't think so.
Gorgeous.
Lovely.
Amazing.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Shut up, John.
Spectacular.
Oh, fantastic.
Fantastic.
What are you doing? Are you doing me? All right. That could have been.
Let's go.
All right, keep moving. Yeah, maybe you can call him properly. He might look at
someone's
you.
behind me taking my picture, but there was no one behind me.
I'm like videoing still.
Is that me or you?
Why do that?
There you are. Look at Papa. They're always making an entrance.
Am I in it too?
Look at it. Whoa, oh my god.
It is a farm, isn't it?
Hello, cows. Hello. Hello. Okay.
There's dogs.
What? Yeah, but they keep.
Aiden said there was a fox.
Can't see, huh? I need my glasses now.
Hey, video ka lang mo dyan. Miss ka.
Miss what?
Miss film ka lang. Miss ka lang battery.
Whoa. It's very bumpy. Oh gosh, it's so bumpy.
Trip. Yeah.
Can you imagine in my video like whoop?
How's Adrian bringing the stroller?
Inside that video, the baby like, how do you know I'm home? My mom coming home. And then like when some play the house though, and then it's cold here. Halfway is like it's so cold.
It stings. What's the smell? Oh my god.
Cow pee? Cow pee.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Why did they have to cross from there when they could have crossed from here?
Yeah, man. This is just like like this. So, look. Yeah, look.
You had to cross it from here. This stroller.